The city of Dubai is known as the best place in the world to live in style, and many famous people from Kim Kardashian to Will Smith choose to live there. VIP treatment is available at a wide range of activities and attractions, such as eating at one of the many five-star restaurants, staying at one of the many hotels that set the industry standard, shopping at one of the many upscale malls, and much more. Here's a list of high-end things to do in Dubai that will make you feel like a celebrity. These activities range from glamping with a personal touch to chopper rides over Dubai Marina. Number 10. Burj Khalifa Lounge, downtown Dubai. One of the most popular things to see in Dubai is Burj Khalifa. Reserve a spot in the Burj Khalifa Lounge to make your trip up the tallest building in the world even better. The world's highest lounge is on the 152nd, 153rd, and 154th floors of the Burj Khalifa. This is the place to go if you want to take in the amazing views of the Burj Khalifa while being comfortable and alone. You can sip tea, coffee, house drinks, or sparkling wine while eating the best canapes. Number 9. Helicopter Tour, Palm Jumeirah. The jet set can see the city of Dubai from above. Guests on Dubai helicopter tours leave from the Atlantis Hotel on Palm Jumeirah to see the city's famous skyline, long stretches of coastline, and famous landmarks like Burj Al Arab, downtown Dubai, Dubai Marina, and Burj Khalifa. Number 8. Yacht cruises. Spending the day at sea is the most exciting thing anyone can do. You can rent a boat for the day and see Dubai from the water. Both the Dubai Marina and the Dubai Harbor have yacht tours that leave every day and can be changed to fit different needs. A group of friends or a couple can have an intimate time by renting a private yacht, going for a swim, and watching the sun go down. Groups that want to have some fun can book a yacht that has different options for DJs and catering to fit a range of budgets. Number 7. Platinum Heritage Desert Safari. A desert safari is one of the best ways to enjoy the beauty of the Dubai desert, from the wildlife to the Bedouin culture to the high-energy sports that can only be done there. Platinum Heritage serves customers who like the nicer things in life, even though they can choose from a lot of other providers. Book an educational nature drive in a Range Rover with an experienced conservation guide, or step into a Land Rover from the 1950s that looks like it belongs in a museum and explore the Bedouin way of life through safari, falconry, camel riding, and other cultural activities, as well as traditional treats. You can book either of these two options. Number 6. Private hot air balloon ride. After a delicious breakfast, guests will go on a beautiful balloon ride over the sand dunes of the Dubai desert. In the United Arab Emirates, people who ride in hot air balloons early in the morning can see beautiful views of the desert and wildlife like gazelles, oryx, and camels from above. Number 5. Sonora Camp Sunset and Dinner Experience. People who want to experience the spirit of the desert while enjoying the best of Arabian hospitality love to go to the beautiful Sonora Camp. The camp is known for its Arabian friendliness and is a great place to eat outside. In the middle of the Dubai Desert Conservation Area, you can find the eco-friendly and sustainable Sonora Camp. It's surrounded by the many animals that live in the desert, like oryxes and gazelles. At Sonora, the sunset and dinner experience includes a meal made by a chef with fresh, seasonal ingredients, drinks, a camel ride, live music, a fire show, a falcon show, and the chance to try out fun desert activities like archery and sandboarding. Number 4. Glamping. Glampers can get a taste of outdoor living anywhere in the United Arab Emirates from the comfort and luxury of their glamping setup. Even though temperatures and weather can change, the best time for glamorous camping is usually thought to be from the end of October to the beginning of April. Camping can be glamorous in a lot of ways, from the old-fashioned to the very best. If you want to stay in a luxurious place, you can go to the desert and stay in a Bedouin tent. The insides of these tents are decorated with stylish furniture and amenities, and there are people who would be happy to light a fire for guests to gather around. At a glamping hideaway in the desert, you can spend the day having a picnic on the sand dunes or doing things like archery. If you need to be near the water, there are also a number of luxurious camping options near the water. In the VIP Majlis, which is high up and has 2 floors, you can fall asleep to the sound of the waves hitting the shore. Number 3. Private Tour of Dubai. Keeping a low profile is the height of luxury. You can avoid the crowds by hiring a personal tour guide to take you to Dubai's most famous sites as well as its less-known gems. The Burj Khalifa, the Dubai Mall, and the Dubai Fountains are all in downtown Dubai, which is the modern center of the city and where the architecturally inspired financial district of DIFC is located. Sheikh Zayed Road is a completely different way of life that you can only see if you travel a short distance along it. In Jumeirah, you can find the peaceful Jumeirah Mosque and an unspoiled stretch of beach that ends at Mudanat Jumeirah, the Burj Al Arab, and Palm Jumeirah. Both of these places of interest are in the city of Jumeirah. Old Dubai is a must-see for anyone who wants to learn more about Dubai's long and varied history and culture. The interesting Dubai Museum is in Old Dubai, which is also called Bur Dubai. Sometimes Old Dubai is called Bur Dubai. Before going into the busy spice and gold souks, you should first check out the historic neighborhoods and then take a traditional wooden abra across the creek. Number 2. Chauffeur-driven limousine. See and be seen is said to be Dubai's motto, and if there's anywhere in the world where your ride matters, it's here. Reserve a traditional limousine with a driver so you can see everything the city has to offer in style. Gather your friends, put on your best clothes, and go from beach clubs to evening parties in style. The operators' fleets have a wide range of vehicles, from stretched Hummers to Rolls Royces, to meet the needs of customers with different tastes. In some ways, the space can fit as many as 18 guests. Tip: come in style and have all the attention on you. Dress to impress and take your limo to one of the best hotels or restaurants in the world in Dubai. Number 1. Ski Dubai. Ski Dubai is one of the most popular places for tourists to visit in Dubai. It's in the Mall of Emirates. It was the first place in the Middle East to have an indoor ski resort. In this winter wonderland, visitors can choose from a wide range of attractions and activities such as skiing and snowboarding on the slopes, taking ski lessons, and going on thrilling snow bullet rides. At Ski Dubai, tourists will also have the chance to get up close and personal with some cute penguins. Thank you so much for watching this video, and that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more interesting information. Turn on the bell icon so you know the second we post another video and you don't miss it.